Guys, this is a gift for a man or dad or wherever you want to give. So this is actually a band, so magnetic wristband. And the people who work and then need something like screws or any other tool like the scissor or stuff, they can just stick it to it on the band and they can work. So you can see this is a very nice quality with the velcro on the top, and this is the band to put on the hand. So you can put this on the hand and just use the velcro to tighten on your wrist. Is a one size for all, and you can just put, see, the scissor on stick. The magnet is really strong, so all the screws and nails you can put on top of this. So very handy, very useful for the dad or the man or any person who work and need to store their small tools on top of their hand. So two bands if you want to wear on the two hands. So this comes in one in each, and it's pretty handy, and the velcro is really strong, as you can see. So it's a high quality band with the sweat thing, the nice band.